Thai health officials set out on a COVID-19 test and treatment mission. Although close to Bangkok, some of these areas are only accessible by boat, especially during the rainy season. Urban centres have seen the highest infection rates, but increasingly suspected cases are being reported in remote and rural districts. And health services are being stretched to breaking point.
Currently, I'm worried because we don't have enough health officials to take care of patients, even though case numbers and those awaiting to be cured keep rising.
With government services under strain, some Thais are taking matters into their own hands. This group of volunteers are going door to door, testing oxygen levels for those that show COVID-19 symptoms. With many impoverished communities suffering from high levels of infection, they're learning to look after themselves.
One of our friends died. He couldn't get any help. He couldn't call anyone. And we don't want that to happen to anyone ever again.
Hospital beds in the Thai capital are now so scarce that the health service has outfitted a special COVID train to transport patients for treatment elsewhere. More than 100 patients can be transported to 7 provincial capitals where there are still beds available.
The transfer of patients. These patients are from Bangkok who haven't received treatment in hospitals. We want to bring them to doctors in their own hometown, and the travelling process is controlled all through the journey.
With infections still hitting record highs, many expect tougher lockdown conditions to come. For the last 2 weeks, communities of migrant labourers like this one behind me have been completely locked down, with guards on the gate to make sure no one can get in or out. Now many people in Bangkok are concerned those strict measures could be applied to everybody. At Don Mueang Airport, a cargo warehouse is being converted into a temporary field hospital. 1,800 cardboard beds ready for new COVID-19 patients. But with nearly 3,000 new infections in the capital every day, even this won't hold back the tide of the fourth wave. Tony Cheng, Al Jazeera, Bangkok.